The newest version of Mint is now here. With version 14.3 comes bug fixes, general improvements, and new exciting features that will help you be more efficient and simplify your everyday work. And in this video, we're gonna go over its top new features, starting with the long-awaited 2FA add-on. This add-on is used to configure two-factor authentication for Mint users using the Google Authenticator app, which allows a more secure Mint login experience. You can enable 2FA for the Mint desktop and web applications. We also added improvements when creating forms. When an instructor is grading in Mint, they have the ability to select reason codes after grading a training objective where the trainee did not meet expectations. Reason codes are generally used to give extra detail for the grade given by the instructor to the trainee on a specific training objective. Reason codes can be created as a standard set of options made available to the instructor for all training objectives. They can also be dynamically generated per objective in cases where the reason codes may differ for each objective that is being graded by the instructor. In version 14.3, we updated our form builder components, allowing the ability to define reason code as the type for combos in the record item iterator. Additionally, you can now create multi-select reason codes, allowing your instructors more freedom and accuracy when providing additional information on non-satisfactory trainee grades. Now, let's go over the new features in Mint TMS Web. You can now select one of the elements from the status set to be the cancellation status when configuring an automation in Mint TMS Web. This status can be used to immediately end the workflow and transition to the next status. For more information about the changes introduced in version 14.3, visit your Mint manual.